In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paginate CMS content in Webflow quickly and easily. Whether you're a Webflow beginner or a seasoned pro, understanding how to paginate your collection items is a fundamental skill that helps present content elegantly and efficiently to your users. It enhances their browsing experience by breaking down large amounts of data into digestible pages. So, let's dive right into it. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Webflow's website. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the login screen. Enter your credentials carefully, and if you're having any trouble doing so, make sure your details are entered correctly and that your internet connection is stable. After successfully logging in, you'll see the dashboard option. Click on it, and it will lead you to a space where you can manage your various projects. It's indeed an organized way to handle all your creations. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice a list of your projects. Choose the one where you wish to implement pagination for CMS content. Click on the desired project to open it up. This will take you to the main workspace of that specific project. Here, you want to identify and select a particular collection list that you'd like to paginate. Collection lists are a powerful feature of Webflow, allowing you to design dynamic content-driven websites with ease. With your collection list selected, move your attention to the settings. It's located usually in the top or side navigation, depending on your layout. Clicking on Settings opens up a range of options for how your collection is displayed. This is where the real control lies in optimizing your data's presentation. Next, you'll find a section labeled Paginate Items. Clicking on this option initiates pagination for your collection items. Pagination splits your items into multiple pages, each containing a set number, which you can adjust according to your needs in the settings. Typically, the default page displays a certain number of items, say 10 per page, but ensure that you choose what best suits the user experience. And just like that, with a few simple steps, you've effectively implemented pagination into your collection lists. This simple yet vital adjustment can significantly bolster your website's navigability, making information more accessible and improving overall user interaction. Give it a try and see how much more engaging your CMS content becomes. Remember, playing around with settings could open up new ways of presenting your data, so don't hesitate to explore. Pagination can be that added touch that makes your website stand out while also keeping it streamlined. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing with Webflow.